Vaughn is asking this question on the CPAS ads for Shopee and Lazada store. That's one of them, better performing videos that I have on my YouTube channel. You probably came in through this because yeah, a lot of people are very excited about this video. So is it applicable to Lazada Philippines? Okay, basically the framework that we are using to actually advertise for Shopee store also equally applies to Lazada store, even Amazon store, eBay store. Why? Because the idea here is very simple. The moment you're driving your audience to your marketplace stores, you are actually technically not able to track the clicks coming in, meaning that people won't be able to just the moment people click on the ad and go over to your Shopee store, you lost them. You're not able to capture them. You're not able to retarget them effectively in your future campaign. So that's the reason why we have a framework using our two-step funnel framework campaign to use an instant experience to capture them. So if you talk about this framework, it applies to all marketplaces. However, CPAS also applies on Lazada. For those who know, you can get CPAS from Shopee, you can get CPAS from Lazada. That's how they call it CPAS. In fact, it's called the collaborative ads. So I believe for other marketplaces also, they can give you, but I'm not sure whether they're giving you that thing or not. So that pretty much depends on the marketplace that you're selling. But to answer your question, Vaughn, applicable to Lazada, the answer is yes. It is applicable to Lazada.